Balloon safaris in the Serengeti offer a unique and breathtaking perspective of the vast savanna and its wildlife. Here's what you can expect from such an adventure. Once-in-a-lifetime experience, floating silently above the plains, forests, and rivers of the Serengeti at sunrise provides an unforgettable experience. Often described as magical by past travelers. Safety and reliability. Operators like Serengeti Balloon safaris prioritize safety, sourcing high-quality balloons from credible manufacturers to ensure a safe and memorable journey. Booking. You can book your balloon safari through reputable tour operators or directly with the service providers using online booking forms. Best time for the safari ****. The best time for a balloon safari in the Serengeti is during the dry season, from June to October, when the skies are clear and the wildlife is easier to spot. Enjoy your aerial adventure over the Serengeti.